Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back again. It's the Brat Man, and today I wanted to talk about Jeep BCMs, and this is the Jeep Liberty. And a lot of confusion about the BCM module when it goes bad. I wanted to explain a little bit of information, explain how this thing works. Now, 2002 to 2004, so 2002 to 2004 Jeep Liberty used the same BCM, body control module. And when these go bad, what happens is you lose your door locks, your wipers, your headlights go out, all that stuff goes out. Now, when these go bad, you don't have to replace the whole unit. You don't have to replace all this. Everyone tells you, oh, you got to replace this, and you don't have to do all that. So you see these 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what goes bad. This comes out. This box here, this comes out too, and this is for your remote. So your memory for your remote, your key fob, is always stored in this little box here. And this is interchangeable. You can easily, pull this out. This comes right out and unplugs. You can actually just go like this, pull it down, and this comes right out. If I can get it out. So this unplugs. You see this? So this box here controls your doors, your door locks for your key fob. And this you can switch into your other BCM. And these 4 screws come out, and all you have to do is replace this black square here. That's your BCM. And this is your fuse box. But you don't have to replace the whole entire BCM. And I had this problem on a 2002 Jeep Liberty, and this BCM was from a 2004, and I had put it in and it fixed it. So that's why I wanted to explain to you guys. Now, 05 to 07, there's a different style, different BCM. The 05 to 07 will not fit the 2002 to 04 Jeep Liberty. It's different, but it's the same deal. All you have to do is take these 4 screws off, take this BCM out, and put it on to your existing box. You don't have to replace your whole entire BCM. So this is what the box looks like for the key fob, your remote transmitter. This is what this runs off of. And everyone's like, oh, you got to get it programmed to get your key, your key programmed. You don't need to do all that. All you have to do is make sure you use your box that you have in your Jeep, put it into your new BCM right here. So I hope this explains and helps everybody out a little bit. I just wanted to talk about this because a lot of people are misinformed, and they think you have to replace this whole unit, and you don't. This is interchangeable, this transmitter box. I was worried about that when I went to go look for a BCM. I was like, oh, I got to go to the dealership and get the remote programmed. But what I did was I just took this box out and put it onto the new BCM, and like I said, this was still good. This gray part, the fuse junction box that the wire harness goes into, this is still good. You can leave that in your Jeep. When your BCM goes bad, you just need to replace this. This is interchangeable. You don't have to program this big black box. But the little box you want from your old BCM, you want to take that out and put it into the new one, like I showed you how it went in. So that's the BCM explained on the Jeep Liberty from 02 to 04. That's this one, and I'm sure 05, 07 is the same, the same deal. So I just wanted to let you Jeepers know about that. I'm a Jeep guy, even though my channel has a lot of dirt bikes and quads and dirt bikes and stuff. I do have Jeeps. I like Jeeps. I have had plenty of Jeeps, so I'm definitely a Jeep guy. I had a lot of XJs, WJs, TJs, Wranglers, you name it. I had every type of Jeep. So I got some experience in the Jeep world. Me and my friends, we all know about Jeeps. So this is just from experience from the past, what I've learned. So I hope this helps you all out. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. It's a crazy world. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If not, that's fine too. But you know, throw a like if you can. I'll see you guys later. Peace and hair grease. Be safe. See ya.